When you encounter an adorable and affectionate cat, it's easy to forget that these felines, so cherished today, haven't always been by our side. Compared to dogs, which have a much older relationship with humans, domestic cats started living with people in a much more recent time. If you're curious about the origin of cat breeds, watch this video until the end and explore the fascinating history of these creatures. How cats began to approach humans. Cats are direct descendants of wild felines, and their relationship with humans dates back approximately 10,000 years. According to the most widely accepted theory, the first cats began approaching humans in the Middle East, specifically in the region known as the Fertile Crescent. This area encompasses what are now countries like Palestine, Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, and Cyprus. With the development of agriculture, humans faced a new challenge: the presence of rodents that infested their crops. These rats attracted wild cats, which sought food near human settlements. Thus, a mutual relationship was born. Cats helped control the rodent population, while humans provided an abundant food source. This bond was so beneficial that in ancient Egypt, cats were revered and even treated as divine figures. The evolution of cat breeds and natural selection. Over time, wild cats underwent a process of adaptation to human environments, becoming more docile and capable of living alongside humans. This domestication process was driven by natural selection, which led cats to resemble the domestic felines we know today. Additionally, the migration of cats to other regions played a key role in the emergence of new breeds. The expansion of trade routes facilitated the movement of these felines, and as they spread across different territories, their characteristics began to adapt to each area's specific climate and geography. The Siberian cat, with its thick fur adapted to Russia's cold climate, is a perfect example of this adaptation process. Types of cat breeds and their origins. Throughout history, while dogs were used for various purposes such as hunting, herding, and companionship, cats were primarily valued for two reasons: their role in controlling rodents and, later on, for their companionship. Over time, selective breeding of cats became more common, with the aim of enhancing specific traits. Today, recognized cat breeds are categorized into four main groups. 1. Natural breeds. Natural breeds of cats are those that emerged without direct human intervention. They evolved spontaneously, adapting to their environments over time. Many of the oldest and most traditional cat breeds fall into this group, such as the Siberian, Angora, Persian, Burmese, Abyssinian, Siamese, and Korat. 2. Mixed breeds. Mixed breed cats originated from controlled crossbreeding of two or more pure breeds, often with the goal of combining specific traits. These cats didn't form through natural selection, but through intentional mating to reinforce particular qualities. Examples include the Himalayan cat, a mix of Siamese and Persian, and the Balinese, which combines Siamese and domestic long-hair traits. 3. Unidentified breeds, SRD. SRD, no defined breed, cats are common and found in many homes worldwide. These cats don't fit into the categories of officially recognized breeds by clubs or breeding associations. However, SRDs are beloved for their diversity in color, size, and coat types. Their charm lies in this variety, and many become loyal and affectionate companions despite not having a defined breed. 4. Genetically mutated breeds. Lastly, some cat breeds arose from spontaneous genetic mutations. These felines don't follow the natural evolutionary pattern but instead exhibit unique traits that resulted from random genetic alterations. A famous example is the Sphynx cat, known for its hairless nature. Although hairlessness is a genetic mutation, this feature was preserved by breeders who appreciated its distinctive look. Other breeds, such as the Devon Rex and Cornish Rex, also emerged from genetic mutations that altered their fur and other physical. The history of cat breeds is a captivating journey of adaptation, domestication, and even selective breeding. From the early connection between wild felines and humans to the development of the various cat breeds we know today, the process was gradual and full of discoveries. Each breed of cat has its own unique characteristics, and the wide variety of cats we have today reflects a bit of human history and how these creatures became, over the centuries, inseparable members of many families around the world. Help the channel by subscribing, leaving a like, and activating the bell.
See you next time.